Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed Army video. My name is Emmanuel and today Google has launched a new feature when you're suspended that you need to do some extra steps and very big steps in fact, aligning with actually how Google Business Profile works when verifying. So the big problem is that Google has increased the requirements for individual merchants to get approved or not. And that is because there are so many bad actors on the platform or very low quality merchants. For example, low quality dropshippers that just copy and paste and don't do anything else. And that is just very similar to another merchant. So basically, there are so many different reasons why a merchant is suspended, and it is very difficult to get approved. So what I do for my clients is I check everything. So basically from A to Z, that means the website data feed, the business itself, and any third-party website. All of those things are all contributing towards getting approved or not. But I never actually say like, okay, if you fix all of that, you will get approved. It's actually, if you fix all of that, you increase your chances of getting approved. So there's a big difference. And the reason why nobody can make a guarantee that you can get approved is because Google can suspend a merchant even if you follow all policies. So never trust somebody who says, yeah, it's fine, I will guarantee it. The second thing that I want you to be aware of is that don't request reviews when you just make one little change, or don't let any third parties to make a request on your behalf. The reason is that you only have 3 reviews that you can ask, and that is very limited. Once reached, you're permanently banned, and that will destroy your whole business. So it's very important that you do everything and go the extra mile. Now, the big important news that I want to share. This is a merchant that reached out to me asking for guidance, and I've actually never seen this before. And Google has not publicly shared this information as well. So it's most likely in beta test for a select merchants that they want to test this out. But as I mentioned, it is very similar to Google Business Profile. So let's have a look at what the merchant will see. So this is the normal image. So everything is on a smartphone. So that's what the person shared with me. But you can see that you can verify, and it says here, verify identity with a video of your business before requesting a review. Before that, it was just verify your business identity or your personal identity. And now it is also with a video, which is very, very interesting. So when you do that, you go actually to a Google form on docs.google.com and you enter your ID, and then you can select what your store is. So are you a physical store? A physical store means that you have products in a shop on the side of the road, no, not on the side of the road, but in a building, and that consumers can come in and make a purchase like a traditional shop. You can also select no, I sell products online but have access to the storage with products. That means where your business location is assigned, so which address you have chosen, that is where your stock is as well. So this is not applicable for drop shipping. Then no, I sell products online but don't have access to storage with products. So that is most likely for drop shippers. So make sure that you're honest, because the video will be clear to Google if you are being honest or not. My advice is select what is 100% truthful, because even dropshippers can get approved as long as you have a high quality website and everything is within the policies. So there's no issue with deceiving Google. I mean, there's no reason to deceive Google because you can get approved. And then when you go to the next step is it asks you to upload a continuous video, so non-edited. So video instructions, complete this form and ensure you capture the following: your storefront, including any signage, excluding store name and logo, and street address. Areas only staff have access to, such as a storage room, office, or point of sale. Capture everything in one continuous 3 to 5 minute video. Your videos must not be edited, clipped, or modified. So this is in relationship to Yes, when you have a physical store. Then you can go ahead and upload it. I do show it twice here, but there's actually 2 different screenshots. And then you have to confirm what you've captured. You've confirmed that your storefront includes any signage and street address. Areas only staff have access to, such as a storage room, office, or point of sale. Capture everything in one continuous video. Your video must not include any sensitive data or personally identifiable information. This means there should be no customer faces, employee IDs, or any other private or sensitive data visible at any point in the recording. And then I have another screenshot, and this is most likely for, let's have a look. Either you have no, I sell products online and have access to storage, or no, I don't have storage. Let's have a look which one it applies to. So it goes again, you have to make a video by showing the entrance of your building, including any signage and the street name. Clearly demonstrate how staff access the storage space. So as it says storage space, that will then include this one. So no, I sell products online, but have access to storage with products. So I don't have a screenshot of the last one, so I don't know how that will look like. Then it says select 1, 2, 3 of your most expensive items offered on your website. For each of these, shown an item, its packaging, and the area where they are stored. Capture everything in one continuous 3 to 5 minute video. Your videos must not be edited, clipped, or modified. And then for the confirmation, the entrance of your building, including signage or street name, clearly showing how you'd enter the storage space. 1 to 3 of your most expensive items offered on your website. For each of these, show an item, its packaging, and the area where they are stored. Capture everything in one continuous 3 to 5 minute video. Your videos must not be edited, clipped, or modified. Your video must not include any sensitive data or personally identifiable information. This means there should be no customer faces, employee IDs, or any other private data visible at any point in the recording. So this is very interesting that they're starting to do that. I think it's a very positive thing, because I get a lot of merchants say, Google is still suspending me. I'm an honest physical business. I comply with all policies, but I still don't get approved. So at least now Google is making steps forward to allowing merchants to verify using a video. I wonder now, because there is also a situation where you have only a maximum of 3 reviews that you can request. I wonder that now they might be resetting this, because you have ability to confirm via video that you're a real business. I would hope they would do that, because there are really honest businesses that still are suspended and can't get approved, because it's now a permanent suspension after 3 requests for a review. So it would be a little bit sad if they can't do that. I will definitely contact Google to mention this, because I think they should. But regardless, always make sure that you comply with all policies. Don't just request a review if you make one little change, or made a change that you believe is the reason. It's really the wrong way moving forward. In the past, that would be okay, because you had unlimited requests for reviews. But nowadays, with just 3, you have to really go the extra mile and resolve any possible issue. I do go the extra mile, meaning I go pretty deep with all the reasons why a merchant will get suspended, and my clients do think like, oh man, do I have to resolve that as well? I say yes. It doesn't take too long to do. Just fix it. It's also positive for consumers that view the website, for example, or if it's related to the business. Anything that you do extra is good for everything. So go the extra mile. That is my advice always. To increase your success rate to get approved. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment downstairs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.